It's no secret that generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are disrupting industries worldwide. Today, I'll reveal the 11 AI systems top companies are using to outpace their competition and secure their spot in the market hierarchy. This isn't speculative hype. These are systems being successfully sold right now to businesses looking to get ahead with AI. But before we dive in, if you're new here, I'm AI Chick. For the past few years, I've been building and selling AI solutions. My channel is dedicated to helping entrepreneurs and business owners navigate the AI revolution effectively. I'll be covering each system briefly. Links will be in the description. 1. AI Enhanced Leads Magnet. Business needs to generate leads, and one common method is through lead magnets like ebooks or reports. AI is taking this a step further by personalizing these offers. Instead of just asking for an email, smart companies are gathering detailed information via short questionnaires. In return, prospects receive a customized AI-generated report, increasing both opt-in rates and the quality of the data for sales teams to follow up on. Full examples are in the document. 2. Mass phone outreach. Many businesses rely on outbound phone calls, whether it's for reactivating leads or fundraising. AI voice agents are now automating this process, handling the first touch and freeing up human effort for more qualified leads. These systems scale effortlessly, making them a powerful tool for outreach. You'll find several examples in the document. 3. AI-powered customer support. Businesses are using AI agents for inbound customer support calls. These AI systems can handle basic inquiries and common issues 24/7, escalating more complex cases to human representatives when needed. This system boosts customer satisfaction while reducing operational costs. 4. Text-based customer support. Text-based support, whether through a website chat, WhatsApp, or SMS, is one of the easiest systems to set up. These AI systems manage routine queries, freeing up human agents to handle more complex requests. This system is cost-effective and enhances customer service availability. 5. AI Personalized Outreach. Cold outreach is getting smarter with AI personalization. AI systems can gather data from social profiles or other sources to craft highly tailored outreach messages that convert better than standard cold emails. Personalized messages are becoming key to cutting through the noise, and the document includes real-world examples of this in action. 6. AI for information retrieval. Larger businesses are adopting AI systems to manage internal documentation and improve information retrieval. By indexing SOPs and other key documents, employees can query the system and quickly get the answers they need, reducing wasted time. 7. AI appointment setting. Appointment setting, particularly for inbound leads, is one of the easiest tasks to automate with AI. AI voice agents or text-based agents can handle booking and qualification, reducing manual effort and freeing up sales teams to close more deals. My team specializes in this, and you'll find examples in the document. 8. Productized information consultants and coaches are now using AI to productize their knowledge. AI agents connected to knowledge bases allow them to deliver their expertise on demand. This is perfect for creating passive revenue streams or offering clients a more personalized experience. 9. AI sales call analysis. AI is revolutionizing sales team management by analyzing sales calls and providing insights into performance. Whether tracking objections, tone, or key phrases, AI systems can deliver actionable data to help optimize sales performance. 10. Automated content repurposing. Content creators are using AI to repurpose their content across multiple platforms. For example, a YouTube video can be transformed into Twitter threads, LinkedIn posts, or even an email newsletter. This maximizes the value of your content with minimal extra effort. 11. AI in recruitment. AI is transforming the recruitment process through automated resume screening, candidate assessments, and even basic interviews. These systems streamline the hiring process, improving both efficiency and candidate quality. And there you have it. 11 AI systems that are reshaping the business landscape and helping companies dominate in their industries. These aren't just futuristic ideas. They're being used right now to get real results. If you're serious about staying ahead of the AI curve, don't miss out on the complete breakdown. Links in the description. So, hit that like button if you found this valuable. Drop a comment with any AI tools you've seen making waves. And don't forget to subscribe for more strategies to level up your business. Until next time, stay ahead, stay smart, and let AI do the heavy lifting.